Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn off the Astro Chlorinator cell while having the pump running. So here is the pump. The pump is right here, so we're going to turn on the pump, turning off this salt chlorinator. So here I'm going to press on this button. This is the chlorine output set point. So what you want to do is press it all the way down to 0, so it's off. Okay, so manually off, pump or chlorinator manually off to 0, and then we're going to turn on the pump on. So the chlorinator cell is off, but the pump is still running right here. And that's it guys, that is how you can turn off the cell salt cell. Now if you have a different brand, sometimes there is a button where you can just press on the button to switch it off. With this one here, all you have to do is just decrease it all the way down to 0. But in some different model, there is a button where you can just press on it to switch it on or off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.